Okay, you request comb your hair, huh? Do not complain, okay? It's a long time, guys, that I didn't comb her hair because I'm always busy. Only 1 minute. Oh, turn, baby, turn, Snowy, turn. You know, guys, because while I'm doing a video now, she's not looking at me. Come on. Why are you shy at the camera? It's a long time I didn't took a video with you. Where you go? Oh, okay. Thank you. She want another place, guys. Really? Don't let complain. Why? Is there something? Are you complaining? Do not complain. I do. I'm sorry. What is it? There's something? Okay, you play. I don't want. I don't want. Why? Why are you angry? You said, come here, oh, kalas. This one na lang, the other guy. Okay, thank you for cooperating with me. See? Nice. That you like to comb your hair also, Leo. Because your hair is very soft. And I like it. Why are you... Why is this? Why like this? Why like this? Oh, kalas, I'll stop. I'm sorry, I'll stop. I will not comb your hair anymore. Why don't like? Kalas, enough.